welcome back to the channel. And in this art lesson, we're going to be doing what?
A folding surprise unicorn.
A folding surprise unicorn. As you know, Camila loves unicorns. She loves what else? Cupcakes, rainbows, and birthday cakes. So we're going to do a combination of a unicorn, folding surprise, with a rainbow shooting out. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can do this. That sounds like a lot of work, but if you pay attention, follow the instructions, I think we can get it done. All right, are y'all ready? Make sure you get your paper, and then you get your black marker, and then your color markers. We have a lot of them here. You can use color pencils. What else?
And some paint or pastels, anything you want.
Yeah, exactly. So let's get ready, and we're gonna go a little slow, but we're gonna move really quick. So now that we have our paper, our folding surprise will start pretty easily. First, we want to fold the paper in half, just like that, okay? And you want to get corner to corner, go through the middle right here, press down on it, and then go ahead and close it off. Got it, baby? All right. Then we're going to flip the paper this way, okay? And all we're going to do, see that? Now you have half a paper. So that way you know you got it right.
It's like a book.
Yeah, so now we're going to go back the same way again. In this one, we're going to fold up like that to match that other corner. And that's it. This is our folding surprise. So now when we draw this way, and then we open it like this, see this? Okay? You'll see the folding surprise come alive. All right, so first of all, now we need our black marker. Okay, and we're going to start, we can either start this way or we can start this way. But we want our folding surprise to be from this side. So we want to go this way right here, like that. Okay? And the first thing that we're going to do, listen to me real carefully, friends. This is easy. All we're going to do is draw a letter U. Like that. See? It's got a little mixed shape, but just a letter U. Okay? There you go. And then, once we got the letter U going, then we're going to draw right here in this area, we're going to draw a line going down and then up. See that? Okay. And then once you have that, right here, you're going to draw another line like this. And then this line going back out like that, right around here. It's okay, baby. You got it. It's good. And then right around here, see this right here? We're going to draw a unicorn ear, just like that. And then right here, we're going to draw another line of hair going down like that. Ta-da! See that? All right. It'll make sense right now. Don't worry, friends. All right. Now, once you have that, you can take this line here and close it off into the face. See? That way now you got a strand. All righty. And then right here, we're going to draw the unicorn horn. Whoa, okay. That's the magical horn from the unicorn. And then on this other side right here, we're going to draw another ear. We'll go ahead and close off the little ear so we have a little line inside of it where the ear is. You see that? Okay. And now once you have that, all you got to do is close this line here. Take this line back. And then take this line back here. See that? And then follow that line all the way to the back of your unicorn like that. Ta-da! You see that? There you go. If it's really close to your fold, don't worry. It's okay. And now that we have that, now we're going to do the little nose, 2 little dots, and then we're going to do 2 little eyes right here. If you have ways of doing your eyes, go ahead and do them however you want. That's the nose, that's the eyes. We'll do some eyelashes. You see that? Okay? It'll make sense right now, I promise you, okay? You just got to follow it. There you go. You got it, little baby? All right, now, right around here in the front, we're going to go down a little bit, come back up, go up like that, and close it off like that. It's almost like a J. All right, stop right there. Then right here, right in this line, we're going to do another, but this will be more like elongated U. You see that? Ta-da. That's the other little leg. And then right here, we're gonna close this off right here. Boop. See that? And then we're gonna close it off right here. But now, oh wait, I forgot the mouth. Oh no, we forgot the mouth. What the? Do a smiley mouth. Yep, and then we'll close it off right there. So right here on the folding part, this is the part where it gets good. All right, now we're gonna take a yellow, something light. Okay, a very light yellow. You need a light yellow. Use this one, come if you want. I'll use this one. Now what you're gonna do? Are you ready? Okay, right here. Okay, we're actually gonna draw little stars. And if you can't see the stars on the camera, it's okay. On the video, it's all right. Just do the stars, okay? And you can make little stars, any size star.
Actually, a star is kind of like this.
All right. Like that? All right, you got it. And just do stars on this side right here, okay? Don't worry about it right now. You'll see what I mean, okay? We want stars on this side, all kinds of stars, okay? And if you think the color's not bright enough, you could always get a darker color. Try this one, and then do a darker color.
I can see what I can see the stars with this color.
You can't? Okay, so I'm gonna do it in this color.
I said I can.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna do it in this color so our friends watching the video could see what we're doing, okay? So I'm gonna do it in this color. It's okay. You see that? So now you have basically stars on the other side. But now, when we open it up, you see this? When you open the paper, or you open the folding surprise, this is where it gets good. Now right here, we're gonna go from here and go.
I colored in my stars.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do a whoop-de-loop line like this. Whoosh. That's one color, and then we're gonna close it. See? So this is one color.
I'm gonna do it in all the rainbow colors.
Yes, and then two colors.
No.
You can do it with the colors, or you can outline it first. That way, it's a little easier. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. You can do it any way you want. You see that? But all you're gonna do is create these lines. You see? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm gonna do 8 colors, and I'm gonna stop right there. And then right around here, I want to do another star. You see that? And that's what you're gonna do. At the end of your rainbow, basically, you're gonna want stars, just like that. You see? So make sure this design has a lot of stars, and then that way it looks magical. There you go, okay? And we'll do another one in here. All right, Gami, which is the first color of the rainbow?
Red. Like
Red.
Kind of like this.
Okay, red color. Let me do this. I'm gonna do this color red. All right. Whoa, let's see. Does this one work? Let's find out. Oh no, this one's not good. All right, that one now is too dark.
I'm gonna try to use her 10.
I'm gonna use the Five Below marker. Let's see. Hopefully this one still works. If not, we're gonna have to open up a new Five Below marker. All right, this one's good. Look at that, and then finish it off right there. Right before you get to the fold of the paper is where you want to stop. You don't want to go all the way to the fold. You see, you want to stop right there at the fold. Okay, right there. And it's okay if you make lines, scribbles, it doesn't matter. But you want to stop at that fold. And the reason why is that way when you fold the paper, you don't even see the rainbow. It just looks like the little bits of the rainbow. And then when you open it up, it'll have your thing. What's next?
It is going to be orange.
Orange. Okay, do we have orange? Yes. Okay, orange is next. All right, let me get the orange on there. Remember, you want to do the colors right before the last fold. You can do them all after the fold. It's up to you. Whatever you want.
I'm going to do it like this.
Okay, do it, baby.
Look, I'm just going to keep the rainbow like this.
Okay, that's fine. What's the next color?
It's yellow.
Yellow. I need a yellow. Okay, I'm going to do this
And then
yellow.
I'm going to color my unicorn.
All right, what's the unicorn? Let's color it. What color are you doing the unicorn? Yellow, and then what? What's after yellow?
I said I'm doing purple.
Oh, green. Okay, hold on. Green's up to yellow. Oh, and I'm still doing my rainbow.
I'm doing purple for my unicorn.
Okay.
For my unicorn color.
There you go. What's next after green?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. I have to ask the expert of rainbow making here. Hold on. Let me do my rainbow. And remember, friends, you could do it like Camila did, where she just put lines, or you could do it like that, where it's all shaded. It's up to you. I don't think there's a wrong or right way to do it, right, Cami?
Yeah.
All right, what's the next color?
Indigo.
Indigo. Do I have an indigo? Where is the indigo? Oh, yes, I do. Okay. And then what color's next?
After that, it's violet.
Violet. Okay.
Then after violet, it's pink.
And then pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let's go to violet. Let's do violet here. All right, what's up to violet?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. I'm going.
And look at that.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. I need a pink. I need a pink. All right, let's do the pink. See? And there. And then now you have your colors. You gotta get your stars colored in. I need a nice yellow to color my stars. Let me see. I'm gonna use this Crayola yellow. It's very bright. You see that? Oh yeah, very nice. Okay. Get your stars colored in.
Daddy, you're forgetting something.
What am I forgetting?
You're forgetting that thing.
What thing?
That.
Oh, the body. Yeah. Well, you could use like a light purple, something like this. And what you could do is, if you don't want to paint your unicorn, all you gotta do is like a light purple. You see that for shadowing. And then once you have your shadowing, okay, you see that? Oh, do some shadowing here. We'll do some shadowing on the ear. Shadow
What about
here.
your cheekies?
Oh, the cheekies. Hold on, I need to do the cheekies
I
in
did
pink.
mine in outline.
Yeah, pink, pink. All right, and then I need to do my unicorn's hair. I'll do it in this color. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Hold on, let's do it in this hair. There you go. All right, we'll do this one. All right, and then I need a yellow again. Let me do the yellow here. Oh, yep. All right, and then, oh wait, these are pink. All right, so then we'll do this one. Look, see? All right. Camila beat me this time.
I am already done.
I know that. It's okay. Hold on, I'm finishing up my unicorn. That way our friends can see it. All right, and then we need another pink. And then we need another red. A red. Oh, right here. All right. And then we need a yellow or an orange for the unicorn's horn. And as you can see, friends, when you close it up, it looks like it's just some color and what?
And look at that.
It's very nice, yeah.
I can see your rainbow.
And then when you open it up, wow, there you go. That's pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Is it good? Yeah, all right. That's pretty good. We're done, and here it is. What is this, Gummy?
A fun surprise unicorn, and then when you open it up, it's
Whoa.
like this.
Yeah, look at that. Remember, friends, this is a pretty easy little design, and it shouldn't be that hard to do. And you could do it like Gummy did or like I did. And remember, make sure if we were going too fast, do what?
Pause the video, slow down, and start over.
Correct. And make sure to subscribe and
Hit the notification bell and the subscribe button.
yeah, and if you like this art lesson, stick around. We're always going to have some cool stuff going on. But look at that. This is pretty awesome. I like it. This is my very first folding surprise. Camila's done a bunch of them. So this is actually really cool. I like it. There you go. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Be good.